Don't have a boring nails this coming year. I will teach you the easy do-it-yourself Christmas nails. Clean and prep the nails. Since it's short, let's do polygel nail extension. Apply the gel polish. Don't forget to cure. I will show you how I do the design.
Let's start painting. Use fine brush on the detailed ones. Use dotting tools for perfect dot. Don't forget to cure in every detail so you won't smudge the design. Apply gel builder and rhinestone, then cure. Add another design. Fill it in, then cure again. Add other details. Apply top coat to seal. There you have it, your Christmas nails is ready.